I'm Dr. Deuk, CEO of Deuk Spine Institute. I have here one of my lovely patients who came back to see me a year after your surgery.
Yeah, well, August 16th, but close enough. 2
About
weeks,
a
3
year.
weeks, yeah, close enough.
So, what kind of surgery did you have done?
Oh, you tell me now. L4, L5, screws, brakes. What else you did in there?
We did
George knows more because he keeps looking at the video.
Yeah, we did a lumbar decompression and fusion with screws,
Right.
rods, and interbody spacer.
Yeah,
So why would you have a surgery like that done?
because I was in so much pain. I couldn't even walk, sleep, or anything. The pain down my leg was awful. And right out to my ankle bone, I thought my ankle bone was exploding every single day. Every time I got out of the car, I had to wait like 5 minutes for it to settle down for me to walk, and it would hit any time. It was like when I was at school working with the kids, all of a sudden I would just scream like, and they go, "What's the matter, Mrs. N?" And I was like, "It's okay, I just have to calm it down." Even sitting, it would just attack. And then the pain in the lower back was awful too.
So how long did you have that back and leg pain? How long did you have that before you got it fixed?
Well, almost 2 years, just the back pains.
Mm-hmm.
And I had gone to somebody else and therapy, 2 times of therapy, and then last March and stuff, that's when the sciatic started. And I just couldn't take it anymore, so I found a good specialist and he took care of me.
Well, thank you. That's me, I believe. So, why did you wait so long, though, from March to August? What?
Well, because then I had started to go to therapy because I thought about therapy, and then Florida Spine said it wasn't working. So, Florida Spine. Yes, Florida Spine.
Yeah, Florida Spine.
Yeah, and so she suggested to come here. So that's when I made an appointment with you, and when you took the MRI and everything, you said, yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So what would you say to people out there suffering with back pain they've had, or back and leg pain?
Don't wait. Get to a doctor, especially this gentleman over here.
Right, thank you.
Really, seriously, no, you really shouldn't wait, because I think I waited too long, and that's what happened, and then the sciatic went out too, because I waited too long, thinking, it's just back pain, you'll survive, but, So.
All right, good. Are you happy with your overall progress in surgery?
Yes, mm-hmm. Yep, I went for my 12 weeks physical therapy, and they told me, get out of here, you're fine, and as I said, just low, but I know, through the x-rays and everything, it's the arthritis, and that you can't do nothing with arthritis. So old age, but.
So would you say your life is better now that you had the surgery done?
That's my husband. You don't have to clean anymore to in a way,
We have some stuff you can clean here too if you're.
But I'm back to doing all my normal activities, my walking, my exercises, cleaning the house with at the end of the day when I'm done, if I do a real hard cleaning, then the end of the day it hurts a little bit, but it's achy. I just take my arthritis pill and I'm good to go again. So.
All right, and so it sounds like the surgery made a big improvement in your ability to do the things that you want to do, you feel important to do in your life, that you weren't able to do before. So did that pain?
I couldn't even walk. I couldn't even sleep at night. I slept on the chair, slept on the lounge chair, and then I went back on the chair. I walked the floors. The pain was so bad until I walked it out. I hardly slept. The girls couldn't even see how I made it to school for those last few months. So.
I hear from a lot of patients that they feel, they get really depressed because they feel that they can't do the things that they want to do or are supposed to do to feel dignified as a human being. Would you say? Before surgery?
Yeah. I couldn't go on my vacation, so I had to cancel my vacation with my family because I knew I couldn't be able to walk with them and stuff. I couldn't even go to the beach. I couldn't do anything. I was lucky enough I got to work and came home and I cried the rest of the night and walked the floors and got up the next day. And as I said, I left work early because I had to get out of the car and stand there for a good 5 minutes or so before I could even walk into the building. And then it was like dragging my leg and stuff, And then I couldn't go up the stairs or anything. I had to use the elevator all the time when I had to go to the second floor to the kids. And it was
so all that's better now?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I walk 2 miles every day and I clean all my house, and as I said, I went to the beach Saturday, but Sunday morning I woke up, my legs were killing me because I went with my nieces and nephews
What a
boogie
difference.
boarding and stuff.
Look at that. See how happy she is? She
Yeah.
got fixed and now it's
Yeah.
changed her entire life.
Oh yes, definitely.
Now, you got a funny accent.
Oh, New York. Oh, you stop.
We're down here in the South, so
Yes,
to us
yeah.
Southerners, it's
Yes,
just a
I know
funny
you have your
accent.
Southern accent.
Well,
you
listen-
have the accent. I don't.
Right. Well, listen, it's a pleasure, and it's a
yes,
joy
and-
that you're doing so well. I'm
Yes,
so
and
happy.
no offense, but I hope I don't have to see
No,
you
you
again,
don't have to
so.
come back anymore. Your X-rays are perfect, and
Yeah.
you can go and
Yeah.
fly like a bird, go wherever you
Yeah.
want.
Okay.
All right,
Good.
great to see you. Thank
Yes,
you.
thank you. All right.